Hello learners, I'm happy to welcome you once again to our today's learning session. We are studying mathematics and the unit is algebra. 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 And in our last lesson, we started on the addition, collection and addition of like terms. We learned how to collect, collection, and addition of like terms, and we worked out examples here on the board. Then I also gave you exercise to do, which I know you did because you are a good student. A good pupil is the one who does assignment. I gave you assignment on page 94, question 1A, D, E, and F. Question 1 reads, 1 says add A, that was supposed to be D, you're supposed to do D. It says M plus 2 plus 3M plus 2M. Then E is 2K plus 3K plus 10K. Then F, B plus 8B. So this was your assignment. I want us to do it together. This assignment, this was your assignment, but we can still see if we can do it together. So let us answer. Says add. D says add M plus 3M plus 2M. These all are like terms. M. These are like terms. So we just add. All right. So there is 1M plus 3M. That gives us 4M plus 2M. That will be equal to 6M. Did you get 6M? If you got 6M, then you mark correct. Then E, let me write E here, 2K plus 3K plus 10K. Okay, these terms are the same, are like terms. These are like terms. 2K, 3K, 10K, K. So we add 2K, these are 2Ks. We add 3Ks, that will give us 5. So 2K plus 3K is equal to 5K plus 10K is equal to 15K. Now if you got 15K, you can mark correct. Then F, B plus 8B. B plus B plus 8B. These are also like terms. BBB, BBB, BB8B, BB8B, BB8B. 1B plus 8B. 1B plus 1B is equal to 2B plus 8B is equal to 10B. 2B plus 8B is equal to 10B. So if you got 10B, you can mark correct. So that was your assignment, which we have done together here on the board. So let me rub here. That was your assignment. Today we want to go to question number 2. Number 2 from your book says that collect like terms. Collect like terms. Question 2 says collect like terms. Collect like terms, and A is t plus s plus t. Then B, we have 2p plus 3n plus 5p. C, we have 7k plus 8k plus n. Then D, we have 20a plus 10c. Then E, there is n plus s plus n plus s. Then F, we have 15p plus 2t plus p plus 17t. We are supposed to collect like terms. Collect like terms. What is the meaning of collect like terms? Collect like terms means you put together the terms that are like, okay? The like terms, all right? The terms that are similar, you put them together, you gather the terms. So let us answer these questions. That is 2a. Let us collect terms in 2a. 2a, we have t plus s plus t. T plus s plus t. So what are the like terms here? We have t and t, then s. T, t. T, t are like terms. So we write t, this t, plus t, then plus this s. So we have answered that question. We were not told to add, we are just told to collect the like terms. So B, 2p plus 3n plus 5p, the like terms. P. Those numbers that have p, we put them together, starting from 2p. 2p, then 5p. 2p, 5p. So we write 2p plus 5p. Then there is this 3n, which is alone. 3n, we write 3n. Learners, are you following me? Can we do now part C? C, 7k plus 8k plus n will be equal to k. We look for the numbers that have k, put them together. We have 7k and 8k. 7k and 8k. So 7k plus 8k. All right. Then we come and collect n. We have collected 7k and 8k, so we collect n. Then learners, we are on part D. Part D, this one. 20a plus 10c. 20a plus a plus 10c. So like terms, 20a plus a, those are like terms. So we put together 20a plus a. Then the other one here is 10c. This one is alone. We write it at the end. Then we can do our last one. 15p plus 2t plus p plus 17t plus 17t. So how do we go about this one? We look for the numbers that have p. There is 15p, there is p. So we add 15p plus p. Then we come to the next, there is 2t. We look for the other number that has t, and we have it here, 17t. So we have 2t plus 17t. So learners, you have answered the question 2, which says collect like terms. So we have collected the like terms. We have collected the like terms for the 5 questions. So learners, I want us to do another example. Another example. I'll draw a table. Let me draw a table. A box. I'll draw a box. This is a box. Okay, this is a box. Then I write inside this box A, B, A, B, A, A. Then there is the question: how many A's and B's are there in the box? How many A's and B's are there inside this box? Learners, can you see clearly how many A's? Let us count together. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are, this is a question. So the answer is there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 A's and how many B's? 1, 2 and 2 B's. There are 1 A's and 2 B's. So this can be written as 4A plus 2B. 4A plus 2B. There are 4 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 2 B's, 1, 2. 1, 2. So do you understand that, learners? Now I want to give you some exercise. Now that I've shown you how you're supposed to do it, let me give you exercises before we close our class. I want to give you some exercises. Copy and complete the following. Copy exercise. Copy and complete. Copy and complete the following. Copy and complete the following. So we have 1. Copy this. Have this box. Then inside the box, I want you to have C, K, C, K, C, K, K. So the question down here is dash A plus dash B. So how many A's? This let me use, supposed to be C and K. This is a C plus dash K. So how many K's are in this box? You write down here. How many C's are in this box? You write down here. So that is number one. Then number two, another box, number two. We have W, Z, Z, W, W, Z, W, W. So you have dash plus dash. How many W's are there? You write. How many Z's are there? You are also right. Then we move on to the third exercise I want you to do. I'll have another box. Another box there. M, R, M, R, M, R, R, M. Dash plus dash. Dash plus dash. Learners, exercise number 4. This is number 4. Have another box. Number 4. Another box. Number 4. T, T, A, T, T, A, T, A, T, A. Dash plus dash. Number 5. Have another box for number 5. Another box number 5. A, B, C, B, A, C, B, C, C, B. Then number 6, I have another box. Number 6, box number 6, box number 6. W, Z, Y, W, Y, Z, W, Y, Y, Y. So we have dash plus dash plus dash. Dash plus dash plus dash. Then number 7. This is the last exercise I want you to do. Number 7 exercise. I write this one as A, B, C, B, C, B, C. So here we have 2A plus dash plus dash. 2A plus dash plus dash. So learners, that will mark the end of our today's lesson. I want you to attempt this exercise before we go on to learn more about algebra. For now, I will tell you bye-bye.